So you like hacking movies, you like it when people write really complex code fast. You would like to become also so-called hacker. Well, maybe you want to be a black hat or a white hat, or you like anime and you want to be a straw hat. But joke aside, if you're interested in security, either it is security testing or just trying to break into stuff. Well, I have a couple of options for you, which I'm going to present to you by the end of this video. So, doing security testing or doing software security isn't as easy as you see here. So, it's not just writing code, it has a lot of other parts from social engineering to, well, in the end, actually writing code. And I have 3 links for you where you can combine or you can get all those skills in different ways. And the ways are actually in a playable manner. So you're going to see 3 links where you can become better at, let's say, hacking, or hacking is illegal, software penetration testing by playing games. So the first link is Untrusted. So this is a multiplayer game. It's more in the idea of deduction game. It's a good one to start with. So if you want to have fun online with others and perform deductions in a mafia style, so if you know the mafia game, this one is the best to start with. So you can either play it on Steam, if you have a Steam account, or you can even play it in your browser. And here you get a small peek. So you have a task, and the main task is actually to get root access to a company's server. And the game ends when you and your team get this access. After you have done this, you can go in the next one, which is, I think, pretty popular, but if you have not heard of it, here is Hack the Box. So it's basically a hacking playground, and you can, although here it says pricing, you can actually start to have a free machine. It's more than enough to get started. So you have, you can make an account, and you'll have tasks that you need to fill in a step-by-step manner, and they will increase in difficulty over time. The last one is more of it is still in the idea of a game and in the idea of a structure, but it is more in the familiar way of having stuff taught to you, so in a more academic fashion. So it's Pico CTF, and here you can make an account, and then you can start learning. You have the resources here. You can practice your learned technical skills, and in the end, you can even compete. There you have it. This is the full list. Thank you for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, and bye-bye.